This is a city that's dynamic. This is a neighborhood that's diverse. This is a destination that's delightful. This is Dombivli. Situated right in between the trinity of Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Kalyan. Dombivli, this fastest growing neighborhood enjoys unparalleled railway connectivity and excellent road proximity. The Kalyan Shilfata Road, one of the arterial roads in this city, connects it with Thane and Panvel. Popular commercial hubs like BKC, Vikroli, Airoli, Mahape, Thane and Vashi are all easily accessible. Reach South Mumbai in an hour's drive by road or commute by rail as per your convenience.
Racing simulators have now been around 20 odd years. The virtual world is nearly as equal as competing in the real world. The most impressive things about racing is just that feeling of exhilaration you get behind the wheel. It's incredible. It's just an electrical feeling you get of competition.
Come, be one among the many families who will be living in this beautiful world.